Oh my god.
Yeah.
And I've just did a risk assessment.
Yes.
It's risky.
Yes.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Look at beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
So on this episode of Make or Break, I bought a motorhome about 2 months ago and I dropped it down the Wiggly farm, and he told me he could get it running, right? You also told me that we might be able to fix the body.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
But the weather has kind of changed.
Yeah.
But it still looks good from this side, like it's not too bad.
Oh, it looks marvellous from this side.
Oh, this is the good side, is it?
We've had quite a lot of weather.
Okay, and storms and thunder and lightning.
Yeah. So what's kind of happened is you bought a camper and now you have a colander.
I have a colander.
Yeah, it's got a lot of leaks.
I don't want to look inside just yet.
I did take the starter motor off,
Okay.
which was knackered, and bits of camper came off with the starter motor.
Oh no, we can get my Ugg boots muddy.
You are going to get your Ugg boots muddy. I've moved it down here because it was in the way where it was.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is...
Ah!
And as you can see,
Oh my god.
it's kind of...
It's taken a bit of a turn for the worse.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So, I don't really know where you're going to go with it. It's a bit of a hip junk.
Well, but it's worth money as a like a recovery truck body, right?
A recovery truck thing would be quite cool because it's got quite a long wheelbase.
Yeah, and it's a big lump, so the engine's good, gearbox is good. We've turned the engine over, so we know the engine's free.
Yeah.
Let's have a quick look inside, because I don't reckon like the outside's pretty bad, but I don't know if it's going to be as bad inside.
Oh, there's nothing left.
I paid 1,500 quid for this.
You paid about £1,450 too much.
Oh!
Have you? Is this kind of the first time you've seen it? Was it sight unseen?
I definitely saw inside here before, and it was a lot better than.
Yeah, well,
Oh
a bit.
my god!
The body's gone.
My god! Oh, okay. There used to be a Oh, there's a pond. We've got a free pond, guys. I've actually got my own bath. What is this? This is. I think this car's a bit broke. This is ridiculous. So when you said I had a colander, even the mirror's broke in the bathroom.
It did come with a brand new glass.
So what you're saying is now we need to get a wrecking ball, yeah?
Yeah, well, realistically, I think the only thing we're going to do is make some kind of flatbed beaver tail recovery truck.
So you'll take the body off the back, basically.
Take the body off the back.
Okay. My plan is, what I'm thinking, is how's that Toyota Auris I dropped you the other day, the gearbox on? The one that went up in flames on my forecourt.
Yeah, it's going up in flames was not particularly a good thing for it.
Not done it many favours.
No.
All right.
So it's got some serious wiring gremlins.
Okay.
And it's going to cost you more than it's worth. What was it? 07 plate?
07 automatic low miles though.
Yeah, automatic low miles. That's lovely, but it doesn't have a wiring loom behind the dash.
Problem we got now is we need a wrecking ball.
We need a wiggly hammer.
A wiggly hammer. And what do you think? You thinking? Come and show me what a wiggly hammer is.
I'll show you my mechanic's hack for removing the
For the
back of a camper.
No.
So here's my plan. We have a wiggly hammer.
Oh, so the Auris that I've just bought.
We have some skids.
Yep, we have some ramps.
And we have a camper.
Okay. So I've watched.
In true You've Been Framed style,
Yeah.
can you tell me what happens next?
So I've seen Mark McCann, right? Mark McCann's a good mate of mine, an amazing YouTube channel. Go check him out. He drove a Mini or a Reliant through a caravan.
Caravan, yes.
RV.
We're about to find out.
Okay, I'm kind of thinking that we should protect ourselves and put maybe the.
Even that's broke.
Oh, that's broke as well. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you're saying is, I'm gonna drive this through there.
Someone's going to drive.
Someone's going to drive. Well, there you have it, guys. So on this episode of Make a Break, we're going to drive that through there. Goodbye. I love you, children. Thanks to my lovely lady for being there. I leave my toolbox to Josh Wigley. I leave the car sales to my children.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna
So in the essence of good YouTube, okay, and good future exploratories, we're driving the Toyota Auris automatic with only 77,000 miles on 2007.
How many previous owners?
3. Too bad. 1 good. We're going to drive this through the motorhome. And for all you lovely people at home, we know it's stupid. And if something really bad happens, he can have my tools, my kids can have the car sales, and Dave can borrow the recovery truck.
Whenever he likes.
Whenever he likes.
Let's do it. This may go well, and this may go wrong. Even if it goes wrong, we'll still air it.
Right.
Are you ready?
No.
No?
How does my visor happen?
Look up. That one there, I believe. Back there. Ready? Mind your fingies. There she goes, look.
This is stupid. Why'd you get glasses? Please put my hands somewhere. Don't really want to put your legs out straight either, do you? Hell, Josh, what have you got me into?
You don't want to. If you don't want to do it, it's probably got seatbelt pre-tensioners. It's probably going to get broken ribs.
That's in. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's alright. It's running.
Oh. I think we're just gonna go for it.
What's this one?
Don't worry about it.
Where's sport mode?
Oh, this is stupid.
Wipers on.
Am I holding on to here?
No, hands across your shoulders.
Oh my god.
Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Well, just drive down and see what the line looks like. Okay.
This is really gonna hurt.
So I'm thinking.
I don't think we need to go
right
too
over
far.
here. Down. Something like that.
How fast are you gonna go?
As fast as I can.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like the idea of... This is scary.
Yeah, that's,
okay.
That's going to work. Alright?
Okay. Where's our cameraman?
Well, hopefully he's standing on the other side of the camper.
Right.
Not too close.
No, we're too fast, okay? Oh! Again! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh!
hammer!
Oh! I can't breathe. Can we do it again?
We can do it again if you want. That's why we call it the wiggly hammer.
That was f***ing stupid. Don't do this at home.
However, we do have a fire extinguisher just in case you burn and burst into flames.
My turn.
Trouble is,
I think it's my turn.
it hasn't really come off.
No.
We've kind of gone in one side and out the other.
Let's do it again. We're going to try and get it out and I'm going to have a go.
I don't know if we're going to get it out.
I'm going to give it a go.
We've got this.
You can jump in the passenger side.
Only trouble is, it's going to start because we had a little bit of a shut.
This engine keeps stalling and f***ing and I just don't know what to do.
Doesn't look like we're getting out in a hurry. He's got a digger. And you know what? What makes better YouTube than doing it once? Doing it twice. Oh, if we didn't hurt ourselves the first time, we might be hurt ourselves the second time.
Yes!
And I'll do it again. A little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling
Well, I'm wondering, just in case we didn't get the right shot, take two. We've dismantled the back. I think now we need to dismantle the middle, and then all there is left is the very front of the cab and the cab itself. Make my life easier.
We're going to be alright, aren't we?
You're going to be fine. Don't worry.
Right, so guys, at home, if you missed the first one, we just thought, like, we'd do it again. Because, like, why not?
Well, luckily you've got a really big camper, so if you look carefully,
That bit's got air conditioning.
we've got one Toyota Auris,
Yeah.
and then just next to it you've got another Toyota Auris.
So what we're saying is the bedroom's air conditioned,
Yes.
but not the kitchen yet.
No.
Let's go.
I'm thinking the fridge.
I'm driving this time.
You're driving.
Yeah.
Be brave.
We are gathered here today on this monumental
I'm going to tell you
occasion.
one thing now. If you don't go through that as fast as I went through it, I'm putting my hourly rate up.
Shit. Let's do it.
There you go.
Myself, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay. This is stupid, Josh. You've done it once. It's still standing! I can't breathe.
Oh! Oh, for God's sake! They really don't make motorhomes like they used to. Look,
That escalated quickly.
Sam. Yeah. We didn't even break the microwave.
We saved the microwave!
What have you done to my camper? Where am I going to sleep tonight?
Oh my god.
But the Auris is stopped. Why's the Auris stopped?
Oh, hang on, it might start again. Hang on.
Oh, hang on. The headlights fell out. Come on.
Hang on. I can't get the.
Come on.
The keys. Oh. What was that?
You just broke my helmet.
Yes! Oh.
Hang on.
Do a big skid. Where's your helmet gone?
The steering wheel fell off. Adam, we got a problem. The steering wheel fell off.
Oh, that's a common fault on these. Oh, and there was us thinking we were going to go for
to fix it. Oh, it's upside down.
Upside down, upside down. It's not left hand right. Hang on. Gently caress.
Wiggly?
Yes.
Yes!
Right, it stopped. Let's just pull it with the digger.
Oh, that's boring.
Broke.
No window's not broke.
Hang on though. Oh, hello. Just in case you suffered a concussion, you were in an accident. You're okay now. We have you.
Well, look, I think we just take the last bit out of the roof and then the whole roof will collapse.
Well, or we can get another set of ramps to try and get it really high pitched and we'll try and take the roof out.
No. That's just silly.
You can tell which one of us has had a few more years doing this.
Skip my brakes. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my brakes.
Ain't you got us into enough trouble for one day? Look, Luke, I promise you, just one more jump.
So guys, thanks for watching another episode of Make or Break. I sacrificed my boots.
I'm glad about that.
Thanks a lot.
Are you glad about that?
Everyone at home, put a comment below. Everyone's going to be really happy about that.
Oh yeah.
I sacrificed the Toyota Auris.
I'm quite glad about that.
My back hurts a little bit.
I'm a little bit disappointed.
Oh wow, that last one really hurt.
We didn't. No, not because it hurt.
Oh.
You're just a big girl. The Toyota Auris is still running.
Yep, in the bottom of the field with the hazards on.
And we haven't completely removed the back of the
Campy bus.
The camper. But never fear. I'm sure I'll finish the job.
So thanks Mark McCann for the inspiration to do something silly. Thanks Whistling Diesel for pushing us in the right direction of stupidity again. And yeah, I had a lovely time.
It's been quite good fun.
See you next time, guys.
See you guys.
Quick reminder, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and then the bell button, so you get alerts when we release new episodes, and follow us on social media too for extra stuff and more alerts about videos we're releasing, which at the moment is every Sunday and the odd Wednesday too. Bye for now.